What's up guys, for today's video we're going to be reviewing the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Z71 LTZ. So on the driver door you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right below it you have the children door lock and window lock. Right there you have the door, the lock and unlock. You have the mirror controls with soft closing mirrors. Right there you have two memory seat. You also have the door handle. And on the left hand side you have the trailer brake. You also have the four-wheel drive control and the light control. And on the steering wheel you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control. You have heated seats and collision alert. And on the right hand side you have the controls for the screen with voice command. Help!
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like speech session ended. Goodbye.
And right there you have the 8-speed automatic transmission with manual mode, and you also have backup camera with guidance lines. And on the left hand side you have the windshield wiper controls with the turning signal. And on the screen you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, fuel filter life, diesel exhaust, and a blank page. You also have audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have units, information page, speed warning, and source. And on the center console you have the 8-inch color display. Right below it you have the radio controls, climate controls. You also have heated and ventilated seats on both sides. And right below it you have the gas pedal and brake pedal control. You also have traction control, cargo light, rear sensor, lane departure warning, hill active assist, and exhaust brake. You also have two 12-volt power outlet, two USBs, and an outlet. You have a little storage right here and two cup holders. You also have wireless charging. On the screen you have your audio, phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings. You have the time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode. You also have teen driver, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, and you have weather, text,
OnStar ready. Cancel. Thank you. Goodbye.
you also have traffic, and an app store. On the window sticker, this car comes standard with a 6.0 V8 engine Vortec. So the standard vehicle price is $51,825. They added the Duramax Plus package. They added the custom sport edition, the 6-inch chrome assist steps, the heated and ventilated driver's seat. They also added the Z71 off-road package and driver alert package, the chrome trailing mirrors, the 20-inch all-terrain black wall tires, and the LED lighting. So the total vehicle price is $67,430. And here's the 5-star safety ratings. So the engine on this truck is a 6.6 Turbo Diesel Duramax V8, making 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.